Hi everyone, it's Brian Khatambakhsh here, and today I want to talk about real estate and 4 big mistakes to avoid when listing your home. There are 4 big mistakes that most people pay dearly for it, and dearly paying for that, it's a big mistake that could be easily avoided. What are these 4 big mistakes? I'm just going to go one at a time. By the way, if you like what we do and inform you on this information and stuff, please follow us, turn on the notification, like our videos, and let us know if you have any question. We are here to help. We are always here to help. We are a real estate consultant basically. 4 big mistakes that I find out in many years that people make when they're listing to sell their home. What are those? Number 1, go with the agent who promises you the highest sale price, the most amount of money, even sometimes very unrealistic. I had one case like this recently. One of my clients, one of his relatives interviewed me, and they said, well, this guy came and told me he would give me this amount and this amount and this amount. And I said, you know what? Go ahead. It's been in the market for a while, but it's not working. So do not believe somebody giving you that high number, because the inflated rate price are always quoted to get your signature. But you have to see if the market data actually backs that up, okay? And what does that agent do to get it? How would they do it? It's important to ask this question. Number 2, and the biggest mistake, and this is a question I always get a lot from people: how much commission do you charge? How much commission do you charge? And go with the agents that save you money by discounting their own commission. There are a few really big flaws with that. Number 1, lowest commission does not really mean more money in your pocket. You are assuming that everybody can sell your home for the same amount of money, and one goes with the lower. That is wrong. Lower commission does not mean more money in your pocket. Highest sell price nets you the most money in your pocket. I'll give you an example of that later on. But person who cannot negotiate his own commission, how can they negotiate the highest price for your home? If you like this, again, press the like and let me know. If you are there, you can put the message live, ask me how, and I can show it to you. Number 3, do not choose the nicest guy. Nice guy is good to have a beer with when the pandemic is over, to go out and enjoy time with them, hang out in the bar. But when you want the most amount of money in the biggest investment in your life, you want the most qualified person. The nicest guy may not be the most qualified person. If you ever, God forbid, you need to get an operation done, you're not gonna go with someone who is nice. You're gonna be the specialist, someone who is most qualified to perform that. Same thing here. Your home most likely is one of the biggest investments or transaction you have in your life. You want it done by a professional. And number 4, don't choose a solo agent. Look, I was a solo agent before. I know. You're juggling marketing, showings, sales, paperwork, assistant, answering the phone, and something will drop along the way. And usually that is service. I've been there, I know. Go with the team. I always say my team, we are big enough to serve you well, but small enough to care. We're not recommending you to go with big teams, because then you become like a Rogers and Bells. You become a commodity, a number for them. Go with a team that have enough power to handle the transaction and serve you well. So there's a lot to be done during selling your home. And if you miss any of those steps, if something falls through the crack, it could be costly. So 4 things to avoid. Number 1, do not go with the guy give you biggest, highest price. You have to have data to back it up. It has to be reasonable. Do not go with a guy who's charging you the least amount of commission, because that does not mean net money in your pocket. The highest sell price, if they can get the most money for your house, makes the difference. And don't go with the nicest guy. Go with the most qualified guy. This is a business transaction. You need a professional on your side, And hey, look, if you're going with a solo agent, you're taking a chance here. Go with a team that can sell you. If you guys like this, please press the like here. If you have any question, if you like to know 4 big reasons to sell with Brian, you can always like us, DM me, call me, or message me. Always. Our office number is 647-848-2652. Again, 647-848-2652. You can call me, you can text me, you can DM me, you can comment here. We like to hear from you, okay? Until next time, tomorrow I'm going to talk about how to win the best home at the best price in a multi-bed offer situation without paying the most amount of money. There are a lot of tricks, guys. It's not just about the price you're paying. Everybody thinks, oh, highest price we pay. No, there are a lot of tricks. You need to learn those. If you're entering into a betting war, you want to watch our video tomorrow before it happens. Until then, have a fantastic day, and please like our videos, follow us, turn on the notification, and we promise you we give you a lot more information about real estate as we go along. Have a fantastic day.